Prototype is a creational design pattern that allows cloning objects, even complex ones, without coupling to their specific classes. Just like in the Matrix series, the machines endlessly replicate and manufacture themselves, especially the Sentinels. In Java, pattern is available out of the box with a clonable interface. However, let's implement it ourselves in graphical shapes example. First, we have to declare an abstract class, our pattern that will be extended by a specific shape. As a default member fields, we have coordinates in x and y axis and a shape color. In our parameterized constructor, we check if past reference is not empty and copying default member fields. Now we declare abstract clone method that needs to be implemented in subclasses with their specific rules. It ensures compatibility amongst them. Next, we are overriding equals method that is coming from the foundational class of all classes called object. First, we need to check if past reference is an instance of shaped object, which can be any subclass as well. Then we compare primitive values and object strings values with their specific equals methods. Now let's implement concrete circle class that extends shape. We declare analogous parameterized constructor and first invoking constructor of abstract class to check basic common values. After that, we can write custom copy logic for this specific class. In this case, we just copy radius integer number value. Here we are overriding clone method. To generate new object, we just returning new instance by invoking parameterized constructor. By passing reference to the current object, we have access to all fields to copy. Next, in our custom equality check, we need to make sure that the object is an instance of circle class as well as the shape class. If so, we can project object to circle class and compare radius values. As another example, we will define rectangle class. Defining is analogous as for the previous example. In this case, we have two variables, width and height, as integers values. We have to remember to compare each one of them. Usage of these classes is ultra easy, because all of specific classes are extending shape class, so we can now use the power of inheritance and create common array list for all of them. You can simply create each object and assign it to this list. Remember to project cloned object to specific class to have access to all fields. Prototype design pattern is enforcing implementing clone method, so all the subclasses will be aligned with properly cloning themselves. This pattern is helping to maintain encapsulations and consistency among classes in the real-world examples. Subscribe for more videos like this one.